Hello everyone, welcome back to Crypto Mastering. Today we are going through the second part of season 3, which we are going through the spot part of the Binance, and we are working on different types of order and how you can buy and sell and open position in different kind of situation of the market, and how you can trade on Binance. But before that, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe the channel, and also hit the notification bell that I will put the next video you will notify. Let's go. So here we are now actually on the main page of the Binance. Actually, if you haven't seen the previous video that I show how you can create an account on Binance, please go first and look and see that video, know how you can open a Binance account, and then come to this video for trading. If you already have an account, we can go through it directly. So here on the top side in this bar, actually we have trade here, and we go through spot. So we have been here before. Again, on the previous video I told you different part of this feature in this page, and we are going down here. Today we want to talk about this side and how we can actually open position. So we are in the spot. What we have, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different actually set of positions. First, limit, market, stop limit, trailing stop, which is kind of new actually, and the Binance and the OCO. So first we're going through the limit. The limit actually is the most simple part of the opening position in the Binance actually. For example, let's go through Polkadot or dot per USDT. Let's, for example, go through this. So here, one token of Polkadot actually has worth of around $9, $8.90 actually. So for example, you analyze and you predict that the price of the Polkadot will decrease. And please don't forget, this is not signal. I'm just showing this as an example just for educational purposes, and this is not signal, don't forget that. So here Polkadot is actually at the price of $9, so we predict that it will come till this line. So ugly. Come on. Okay, let's try with this. Let's make it red and also thicker. So we predict that the price will decrease until here, and how much is it? It's 7.56. Let's make it simple, or yes, let's put it on 8. It's almost 8. So we predict that Polkadot will decrease to $8. So we want to buy on this price. I will show you the techniques of how you can actually predict and how you can analyze the charts. But just now, I just want to show you the example how you can open the position. So on the $8 actually here in the limit, the price actually right now is 8.92. So we put it on 8. And how much Polkadot you want to actually buy? Right now we have around 29 or 30 USDT here available. So we want to buy, I don't know, half of it, the 50% of what we have here, which is around 14.64 USDT, which it will be 1.83 tokens of Polkadot. So, and we can click buy. So here, the limit buy order created. If you go down here in the open orders bar, we created this position, the date, the pair is dot per USDT, the type is limit, it's buy and green, and the price is $8, amounts 1.83 Polkadot, and it's not filled yet because the price is still at 8.93. It's not $8 yet, and the total it will be 14.63. And if you wanna cancel it, you can press this trash icon here to cancel. So we cancel it because we don't want to buy at we don't want to buy Polkadot right now. And for the sell, it's almost the same. Not almost, definitely the same. For example, we have some let's buy some Polkadot at this price. If you can click on this last price, it will come here. I don't know how much we're gonna buy. 50% of our USDTs and buy. So here the yellow dot, as you can see, it's our position, and it's going to fill, and yes, the limit buy order filled. So here first we had an open order here position, but now it's went to the trade history here. .USDT 8.93. We bought this at 1.63 amount of Polkadot, and the total was 14.55 USDT. And this is a transaction fee. We spend 0.00163 amount of Polkadot as transaction fee. And here in the order history, actually show the history of whatever we trade our open position. So we go back to open order. In the sell part, actually, we bought at this price 8.93, and we predict the price will go to, I don't know, for example, $10. We want to get a profit of around $1.01. So I don't know, I put it on green. So this is our target, for example. So we put the price in the sell part at, how much was it? 10. And how much of our Polkadot you want to sell it? All of them. You put it on 100%, or you can whatever you want. And here you show the amount of USDT that you will gain from this position, and sell. So the limit sell order created. So here in open order we have it the same, the date, time, the pair.USDT limit, and here is sell and red. So it means that we are going to sell this amount of Polkadot, which is 1.62 at the price of $10, and it will be 16.20 USDT. But now we don't want to sell them, cancel. So here, so we talked about the limit. Now let's go through the market. In the market, actually, we don't set any price. We will buy or sell that crypto or that token exactly at this at the moment, and with the latest price that which is here. So it's 8.93. So for this USDT, I don't know, I want to, for example, buy 25% here, which will be 0.41 token of Polkadot, and if we buy, it's done. Oh, here, sorry, the total order value should be more than $10, so we put it on all of them is around 14 bucks, 14 or 14 USDT, and it will be 1.64 Polkadot, and buy that. So here, and it's done. We don't have any more open orders here or anything like that, because it went exactly through the order history. We bought 1.63 again, and it's bought exactly in that price which was here. And in the sell part is exactly the same, but in contrast, we want to sell all of our Polkadot at the exact price which is at this moment 8.93, or the latest actually price that's set in this book orders, which is here, and sell that, and it's done. We sell all of our Polkadots right now. So don't forget, in the market we don't set the price, we buy and sell the price, the token actually at the exact price which is by now. So these are limit and market. But what is stop limit? Actually, when you want to sell or buy a token, we want to have something named stop loss actually, or something that when you, for example, when you buy actually a token like Polkadot and you predict that price will be go to $10 like this, but it won't happen, and it will actually go against your prediction, and the price will be go down, and it will come, for example, here, instead of going up it will go down. So we want to have a stop loss to actually prevent to going more down and take us to more actually loss. So we want to actually set a stop limit for our orders. So for example, we have, let's buy some actually Polkadot first. Buy. We have some Polkadot here. So now here actually we want to set a stop limit actually. So we bought Polkadot at $8.90 and we predict it will go up. But if it's come down by any chance, we want to activate this actually stop loss here. So here we have 8.40. For example, we said if it's come below 8.40, sell it. So here actually we set 8.40 at stop. And what is the limit actually when, let's make, so when the price actually get to the 8.40, this actually order is going to activate, and we want to actually put also a distance that if this price didn't activate it, it will throw us out of this order a little bit downer, for example here at 8.06, or make it higher, 8.20 here, 8.20. So between 8.40, when the price actually reached to 8.40, this order will activate it and it throw us out of this order at 8.20. So we will never go below 8.40. And how much of our Polkadot, for example, 50 or 100%, all of it, it depends on you. So this was our entry price, 8.94, and we said if it's go to the 8.40, activate this order, and at the 8.20, please throw us out of this order. We don't want to be in this position anymore. And so I said, do you want to confirm this order? Confirm. So here we have an open order, Polkadot sell at 8.20. Actually, this order will be closed. So by any chance, if this market, instead of going up to this green target, it's coming down here at this level, it's going to be activated, and it throw us out of this position when it get to 8.20. So we will never go under that anymore. And for the buy is actually the opposite. It's the same, but it's on the other way. For example, you predict, we have something like here, for example, let's make it yellow. We predict if the price go higher than this actually resistance line, it would be a good opportunity to buy. If the price go higher than here, it might be have a pullback and go even more. Let me take this away or put it on cross. So we want to buy here. We don't want to buy here now because we don't know what will happen to the market. But we know if this chart actually break this line, it might be not 100%. It might be a good chance to go higher, so we want to buy at here or after its break and had a pullback. So what is this price? So we want to actually buy here. It's 10.82. So I just put here 10.8, for example. When it reached to this price, the max or the mostly buy it on, I don't know, 10.9. So this order gonna active on 10.8, and it will completely buy any amount of Polkadot that we want on 10.9. So let me first cancel that one, we don't want it, and buy. So do you want to confirm it? Confirm, yes. And here we have the order here. So Polkadot, and it will buy at 10.9 maximum, which will be around 1.31, nothing filled yet, and it will be 14.28 USDT. So that was the actually description of stop limit, to have a limit, a stop loss for your orders. So let's clean up this chart. So now, after stop limit, we have trailing stop. So actually this is kind of a new feature that's added to Binance. We had it in the future market. I will tell you when we went through the future, but in the spot, actually, it's kind of new. And let's talk about it. So right now, if you wanna tell you, and actually, I think it's mostly used for the sell part, because the trailing stop, it's kind of set you a stop limit, which is actually moving with your target. We don't set a target. We actually want the price go high as much as it wants, and we just want to set a limit. But the limit also go up with the price continuously. And in the limit, actually, you set a stop limit and it will be fixed. You have to manually each time go through the market and put it high and higher when the price go higher to make it risk-free. And in that case, you will have no any risk or any loss at all if you actually put your stop loss or stop limit higher and higher. But in the trailing stop, actually, the stop limit continue and move with the price together. For example, with the range of 10%, which we actually set here in the trailing data. For example, the price, when the price go high, the trailing delta or the stop limit also go high with it. Whew.
Stop it. Get some help.
For example, we buy actually Polkadot at the price of let's see, on $8 we bought actually Polkadot, and we want to say when it gets to the $9, when it's go up and getting $9, we want to activate our stop loss, which in the range of, for example, 10%. So that basically the 10% of $9 is 8.1. So our stop loss activated at 8.1. And so if the price go to the $10, the stop limit will go high as well with it on $9. The 10% of $10 is actually $9. I mean, the 10% of $10 is $1, so the $1 distance between them it will be the $9. And here, so we have the Polkadot we bought it at $8, so we want to activate this actually this order. We want to activate our signal at the price of $9. So remember, we don't set target. We just want to move our price. We just want to continue with the market as high as it goes. And we just want to automatically set our stop loss with the price. When the price go high, the stop limit will go high with it. So we don't want to have any target. So for example, we bought the actually this Polkadot or any crypto, for example, Polkadot at $8, and we want to activate this order at $9. So we're gonna put the act price, which is the activate price, at $9, and which the trailing data of, for example, 10%. So we got the Polkadot at $8. When it's go to $9, it will activate this order in $9, and the stop limit will be 8.1. When it go to $10, the stop limit will be 9, which so we actually this is optional that you can have any amount. The Binance itself actually recommend 1% and 2%, but here, for example, we set 10%. And the limit. By any chance, your signal or your prediction won't go well, or it won't happen, and the price instead of going high, it goes down. For example, instead of 9 and 10, it's go to the 7. So we want to also have a stop limit at that point. So we're gonna add so we want to put this 7 as stop limit if our prediction goes wrong. So we here add $7 or 7 USDT as our stop limit if our prediction goes wrong. So here we put all of our Polkadot, and so do you want to confirm it? Yes. So now we have our position here, date and the pair.USDT, the trailing stop, and it's sell on the price of 7. And as I said, I'm going to explain this one more time. You bought the crypto at $8 and you predict it will go high, and if you want to activate the stop limit on the $9, you want to have a distance of 10% between your targets, or I'm sorry, not targets, the price and the stop limit that you want to place. So when it go to 9, this order activate the 8.1, which is 10% distance of the price for your order. And when it's go to $10, it will be 9, your stop limit. It's go to 11, with the distance of 10%, you have your stop limit. So as much as price go higher, the stop limit will also go higher with it. So you will be risk free automatically. And that's it. For the buy is also the same, but in the opposite way, actually the opposite direction. OCO. Let me clean this. So what is the OCO actually? OCO, if you want to have stop limit and target actually at the same time, we use OCO. For example, we are gonna buy actually let's talk about the same crypto. For example, here Polkadot we bought at 8.96. We will actually predict it will go to, I don't know, for example, 12. So we have this as target. I put it on green, a little bit darker, and we also want to have a stop limit. Again, these are not signal, I'm just showing these as educational purposes. So this part for the stop limit actually is same as stop limit here. So we actually set an activation order price on 7.93, and we want the market throughout out of this market at 7.50, for example. So if the price go lower than 7.50, this order will be completely closed, and we getting out of this order. So, for example, we have some Polkadot here. The price here actually is our target here. It's 12, so we enter 12. And the stop here, we want to activate our stop limit at the price of $8 and with the limit of $7.5. So again, price is our target and stop is our activation price for stop limit, and here the limit is the last price that we will stay in this position. And let's sell how much? All of them, all of our polka dots. So, and here we have two positions here instead of one in the order history. One is selling for limit maker, which is at our target, which is $12, and one is for our stop loss, which is at 7.5, which is here. So we bought this at here, it's around 8.95. If it's go up, it will be sold at target, but if it's go down, it will throw us at the here stop limit. Let's cancel it. Confirm, we want to cancel. So in the buy part, actually it's a little bit different. For example, we predict, for example, let's see, we have a line here, we have a resistance here, and we have a support here. Okay, let's make them yellow. Okay. So we think actually, or we predict, we analyze the chart, we analyze it, and we think the price will go down here to this support, actually support level. So this must be the price that we want to actually buy this crypto at 6.26, for example. But maybe our predictions not happen and it will go up. And we know at this resistance actually level, or this resistance line, if the price across it or break it to the higher level, it might be a good chance to go higher, and we can also make a position and buy that crypto here. So on the stop, on the OCO, actually we can have both of this, which means that here we can actually buy this crypto at 6.26 as we predicted. It will come here and we can buy at this support layer. But if it's go wrong of our prediction and our analyze and it will go up, we want to actually buy it also again, as if it's break this layer. For example, it's go up. If it's across this line, we want to make a position at here. Let's make it, I don't know, blue. So here at 6.26 we buy, but if it's go up, for example, if it break 11.9, for example, 11.9, we want to buy this maximum at, I don't know, $11.95. So in that case, we have the both actually scenario. We can buy Polkadot if it's go down at the support, if it break the resistance, and it might go higher. So we can have both scenario in this OCO, and we want to, for example, buy I don't know, 75% of our USDT, which must be more than 10 USDT. And let's buy. So it must be greater than 10. It is. So let's make it all. Okay, buy. Really? So first let's go to market and sell all of our Polkadots and turn back to OCO. So here we have 6.2611, and I think this might be now good. Buy. Yes, and it's happened. Now we have two actually open order here. Polkadot, one for limit maker which is at 6.26, and another one is at 11.95, which is here. So that was all for today. I hope you learn and enjoy this video. I talked about all 5 types of position. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, all 5 part of spot positions that you can actually open your orders based on your signals and your actually analyze. I hope you like it. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe the channel please, and also hit the notification bell. Until the next video, peace.